Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install and run React on your mobile phone. So you probably might be watching this video because you've been given the option to code only. Probably you have only a mobile phone, or you just love using your mobile phone, which I don't really know why you're doing that, but it's fine though. So from my previous videos or should I say tutorials, I say you're going to be needing this app basically, the explicit editor. Well, that was some time ago, and I really, learned new stuff along the line. So we'll be needing basically two apps. Yes, we'll be needing this Acode editor, which I've got to, don't mind, but you'll be needing this one, which you can get from Play Store. I'll leave a link in the description if just in case you might need that. So this is the app here, which you will need, and you also need another app for command prompt, which you might be seeing in your tutorial, Termux. Well, here's the thing. Termux on from Play Store is not really working because of security purposes. So here's the site where you download Termux from. So it will work as expected, just like the command prompt. And you simply go to Chrome and you search for fdroid. It's essentially fdroid.org. Yeah, fdroid.org. I'll leave a link in the description below so you go straight to where you can install the app. Oh, come on, man, it's Wi-Fi slow. So this is the fdroid app. You can either just download the fdroid app and you can simply, it's easier to find Termux here, or you just search it here. Termux search. So this is it, and it will be this one. So you tap and it takes us to the page for the download, and you download. You can see this is a preview of how the app looks like. It's much more reliable from here. Download this from fdroid. Make sure you download it from fdroid though. Then you download this first one, download ABK 97 MIB, because this is like the recent version, which is added on January 11 to 22. It's even suggested here. You can see that here, suggested. All these other ones are quite like older versions. So that's it. So I already have it installed. Let me just tap it so you can just see it. Download APK. So you just download anyway. But download on your Chrome is not the best idea, but that's the only place you can download Termux from, like, to work well. So usually have Termux there, and let me unlock my Termux. So by now you have your Termux installed, so you just go first Termux dash set up storage. So I already have mine set up already, so you just do Ctrl Y there because you're using it for the first time. Clear? And Termux self storage for you to go else, and you can see everything. You see your storage, shared, and other stuff. So moving on to Acode, we're going to open our Acode editor. And why I suggest Acode is because Acode is like a VS Code mobile app. It's better than the VS Code that we see on Play Store. I mean, it's quite wacky though. So Termux also has a plugin and some other functionality that makes the app great. It's quite useful when you're putting on your phone. So this is the layout of an Acode editor. Your life might be different, but I just customize mine. So you go to the plugin section. This is the plugin section, and I already have some installed. You go to the Explore, and there you have it. You have vast numbers of plugins here. So I recommend you install Acode X Terminal, and there you have it, Acode X Terminal. I already have it installed. That's why you can see my install button here. And you go down, there's a command line for you to use to install it. You could either copy this first one or copy the second one, and then you go to your Termux app, and then you paste it right here. I'm sure how you paste it, because you can either paste it here or you can slide here like this, and then you have your clipboard option available here. Then you paste it here, and then you tap the enter. So let me just give it a random command like apt update and apt upgrade. You should also type this command with me, because before installing any package, it's advised to update and upgrade your Termux app. So that's it. So probably you've already pasted this command and you have a Acode X terminal installed on Termux. So what you do next is to go back to your Termux app. So that's taking a bit of time. So you also could install most of all these packages. They're like very useful when it comes to coding a phone. Like these are the ones I use for now. So this should be installed by now. So we successfully updated our package, and now I'm assuming you already installed Acode X from the command which we copied here. So to start Acode X, you first type from Termux here, Acode X server. So before I click enter on that, let me show you why you need to do so. So let's say we have to open terminal here. The command, which I don't want to make it long, command is Control K. So see, it says start Acode X server in Termux first. So you go back to Termux and let's enter. And as it's Acode X is hosted. And you go back here and go Control K. So this is basically your terminal on Acode X. If you go ls, you can see your storage and everything. So let's go for the installation of React. So basically React.dev won't open. And you install it to the conventional this end command npx open a new session. Create command npx create React app, then the name of the app. So I have this app, let's just say React router, and we hit enter. Enter. And that should install React app for us. So now we have React installed, and we can do ls to see that ls, and we have it right here, React router. So you can either run it from here, or we just run it from our Acode terminal. That was best. Acode terminal on clear ls, we have React router. So you cd into the directory ls, and you can see all our packages here. And we can First of all, let's open that up in Acode editor file itself. So go to our files here, we'll say open folder. So just in case you might be having the same issue that I had once, in case you don't see like another directory here where you can see Termux files, in case you only see these two, here's where you can add paths. And so you type the select folder and it takes you to your files. So here's mine. I can open from, and I have Termux here. So if you tap Termux, you can select, and I already have that open, so you can already see that here. And then you can name whatever you want files. So I'm going to it and I see React Alter, and I tap OK button down here. And there we have it. We have the source folder, we have app.js, and every single thing you can see in the tutorial. Go to app.js, we have everything here. So back to our terminal, we run npm start. Just for the knowledge, you don't really need data to run all the stuff. You can do it offline, same thing as in the tutorial. And it will open it directly in your local browser. And there you have it, everything stuff. So if I go back to my editor, so if I add a p h, I say run react, and I save, and I check it out on the browser, see run react. So that's it folks on this video. Now you can have React installed and running on your mobile phone. So I'll leave a link to the description in the description to download the Termux app, and probably a link to any of my social handles just in case you might have any issue regarding the installation process. I don't really have much to do, so I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can. So that's it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also share this video to someone you think might